This NEEWER TS05 tripod feels impressively solid thanks to its full metal construction, yet it remains light enough to toss in a small bag for travel or daily commuting. Its height range from a very low tabletop position to well over average eye level makes it versatile for everything from desk videos to standing vlogs and overhead shots. The combination of a ball head that rotates in every direction and a simple side notch makes switching between horizontal and vertical framing quick and secure. I appreciate that it works smoothly with phones, mirrorless cameras, and smaller digital single-lens reflex cameras, so one stand can handle most casual shooting setups. The included phone clamp grips modern smartphones firmly and even provides a cold shoe mount, which is handy for adding a small light or microphone for cleaner content. The compact Bluetooth remote is reliable at typical room distances, making hands-free selfies, group photos, and solo video recording much easier.